So hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. One of the problems, or probably one of the most common problems I see with a lot of websites I audit is soft 404s. And interestingly, I see this problem with many large brands. I see this problem with many small websites. I see this problem with many medium-sized websites. I even see this problem with websites whose owners have hired a full-blown SEO company to help rank their sites. And they're thinking, hey, why am I not ranking? If you have technical issues on your problem, and this is for all cryptographic issues, and by cryptographic, I don't mean cryptocurrency. What I mean is cryptographic in terms of cryptic nature of the problem, or, let's say like it's a programmatic URL, canonical issues, that kind of those kind of problems. So those are crypto errors, as Gary Illyes like to call it. So I was recently reading a LinkedIn post by Gary Illyes who identified 404s as being one of the biggest problems that could hinder a website from ranking or their pages from ranking. And his explanation was that it's because, even the crawlers have unlimited resources, your website does not have unlimited resources. And so you're serving up a page that's not going to rank because Google will see it as a page does not exist. To understand this completely, let's start with understanding what a soft 404 is. So a 404 or a 404 error is when a page does not exist. So Google tries to access a page or server sends back a 404 error. Google says, all right, this page does not exist. Now, let's say you have a page, it sends a status 200 code. Google sees that, Google says, all right, this page exists. Google then goes on to the page and then sees it's actually a page that does not exist. That is a soft 404. What you should do is so this is very easy to identify and this is very easy to fix. The first thing is, or at least very easy to fix in most cases. So the first thing is go to your Google Search Console, go to Google Search Console, on the left click Pages, and if you have soft 404, it will be listed there. Now, if you have just 2 or 3 soft 404s, that's not an issue. If you have addressed those issues associated with soft 404s and it's still kind of hanging around over there, that's not a problem. But if it was recently crawled and Google saw that for soft 404s yesterday or the day before yesterday, then you should revisit and see if that fix has really worked. The fix here is if it's sending a soft 404 is to make sure it sends out a 404. If you're using a WordPress website, or if you have a WordPress website, there's a plugin, put in the URL and it will send a 404 code whenever Google tries to access the website, or if someone else tries to, or if a human user tries to access the website. The other way of finding 404s, and I think this is a more comprehensive way because Google Search Console does not report all soft 404s, is to run Screaming Frog. And Screaming Frog will provide you with a list of soft 404 URLs that you can go ahead and 404 them manually, or you can, if you're using WordPress, just, copy and upload the CVS file to the plugin. And there are quite a few plugins that do this, so I'm not going to go into exactly what plugin to use, but address these and other issues because many times I see it's a technical SEO that's holding a website back, apart from all the other problems that may be ongoing with the website. And the developer is not going to be able to handle these issues. It's not the job of a developer to do it, and it's not the job of a website designer to do it. So if you have one of these people in-house and you think that it's their job to do it, or they should be able to do it, this is not something that they should be able to identify and do. It's beyond what their technical expertise are. So I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next video.